Bless God, I've got Maureen and Corsia standing next to me. God has been doing awesome things in their lives, and they're going to share short what God did for them. And a lot of it was Prophet John prophesied over them, and it literally came to pass. But I'm not going to let them share it. Okay, and Corsia, maybe you can start.
Okay, I really don't know where to start, but okay, a year ago, there were things that we were trusting God for. And that's where you realize the power of prophecy and realize the power of the word of God in a person's life. We were believing God, or with my wife, to renew our household stuff. And we wrote down the stuff that we needed. I think the stuff was to the value of for close to 40,000 rand. Yeah. And we trusted God that we're going to get the stuff debt-free. We were not going to open any installment account. Okay. We brought it to the man of God. He prayed over the paper and he said, keep it. I kept it in my diary. After a year, exactly after a year, at work, I got a bonus. To me, that was an answer to prayer, because when we sat down with my wife and we reflected on things that we wanted, we looked back at the paper and we said, we took the paper to the man of God. He prophesied over the paper. He spoke over the paper. Things came to pass. And we renewed our furniture, most of our stuff in the house. And I'm glad to say everything is debt-free. Later on, we were trusting God for a Chevrolet, a Captiva. The power also of word and imagination. We took a picture, we put it on. I spoke to Pastor John, Prophet John, and then in passing. But then he really took it to heart, and he continued to speak into our lives. At times when I was coming in, driving our Toyota Corolla, he'll point across and he'll say, this is coming in your lives. It's finished, it's coming. I took that because he's a man of God, he's the prophet in my life. He prophesied in our lives. And he said, before the end of June, he stood boldly and said, I'm going to be boldly before the church. He says, before end of June, you're going to have your vehicle. Yes. And guess what happened? We talked, obviously, we had to agree with my wife. We talked. Before the end of June, from work, I got a paper. It was on special. It was supposed to be 300 and something thousand, but it came up to 283,000. Yeah. There was a discount. So I spoke to my wife. We agreed to buy the vehicle. I phoned the dealership. I tell you, everything was processed within less than 24 hours. I made an application via internet today. I spoke to them. They asked me to bring everything in terms of FICA documentation. When the following morning, I took day off actually on Friday. I went to collect our vehicle.